Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I hope that the videos we keep uploading will help you out. On this video, guys, I'll be tackling the fourth question from the final examination, which was written in the year of 2024. Please do expect a total number of 12 videos since the question paper has 12 questions in total. And yes, guys, you're still doing mathematics paper 1. And yes, there will be another playlist created for mathematics paper 2, as well as physical science paper 1 and 2. Yeah, for now, guys, let's just deal with question 4. And please, guys, don't forget to share the video to your peers, né? Okay, we are given f of x, and we are told that a is a positive number, and then we are told that point b is a point on the graph of f of x. The first thing they want us to do is to calculate the value of a. But before we do that, guys, let me just draw a possible graph for f of x. This will be my Cartesian plane over there, and then I'm told that at -1 I have my horizontal asymptote. Let me indicate my horizontal asymptote in black. This is my horizontal asymptote, and the y value over there is just -1. Are you together? And then how can I find my y-intercept? Remember that, guys, if I want to find my y-intercept, I must always make x to be 0. Are you together? So anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1, and then 1 minus 1 is just equal to 0. So my graph will just cut the y-axis at the origin. My graph will either look like this. My graph will look like this, or my graph will simply look like this. Are you together? My graph will look like this if a is a positive number that is greater than 1, or I will take the blue graph if a is a positive number which is a proper fraction, basically that is between 0 and 1. Are you together, guys? And yes, the point B can be here or there, but it's fine. Let's just answer these questions, and then we will know which one of the two sketches best describes our graph. They want us to find a, né? We are given f of x, which is equal to a to the power x minus 1. For me to find the value of a, guys, I must just substitute any point on the graph of f. I am given a point over there. Excuse me. I am given point b over there, and I know that the y value of b, that's -5 over 9, and then the x value over there is just equal to 2. And then all I need to do, guys, is to simply solve for a. Né? If I take 1 to the other side, it will be positive. I'll end up having 1 minus 5 over 9, which will give me 4 over 9 is just equal to a squared. Né? And then if I insert the square roots on both sides, I'll therefore find that a is equal to 2 over 3. So a is just a number that is between 0 and 1, and hence the blue sketch over there will best represent our graph. So our graph will simply look like this, and yes, the coordinate of b will be somewhere here. I know that x is equal to 2, and the corresponding y value is equal to -5 over 9. These are the coordinates of b over there. Né? Okay, so a is equal to 2 over 3. Next question, they want us to write down the range of f of x. F of x, guys, will be available above the asymptote. Are you together? So you can simply say my range y is just greater than -1. Y is greater than -1. And then for those who prefer writing their range or expressing their range with interval notation, they can simply say y is an element of 1 to positive infinity. And then for question 4.3, they want us to sketch the graph and clearly show the intercepts with the x's and the asymptotes. Already we've done that, guys. Né? This is our sketch Yes, we have y 0, and then x-axis we do have our asymptote at y is equal to -1, and our graph will be a decreasing function. Why? Because a is just a proper fraction. That's how, guys, you're supposed to draw your graph. And then for question 4.4, it is further given that C is a point on f of x at y is equal to 19/8. Determine the coordinates of the image of C when C is reflected about the line y is equal to x. Before we can find the image of the point, I believe that we must just find the x coordinates of the point, because we only have the y value. Are you together? We only have the y value. The x coordinate, guys, of a point is sometimes called an abscissor, and the y value is an ordinate. Ne? I saw a question like that in the prelim that was written in 2025, but it's fine. Remember that, guys, f of x is just equal to a to the power x minus 1. I know that the y value is 19/8. I just want to find the corresponding x value. So if y is equal to 19/8, so therefore the corresponding x value, that's what you are looking for. Ne? Then if I take this -1 to the other side, it will be positive, and then 1 plus 19/8, that's basically 8 plus 19, that's 27/8 is equal to 2/3. Remember that, guys, I'm solving for x is at the exponent. The first thing I need to do is to try and make my bases to be the same. Okay, on the left hand side, I can rewrite this fraction as 3/2 all raised to the power 3. This is equal to 2/3 to the power x. The bases are not the same, guys. Yes, they are almost the same, but they are not the same. However, I can change this base to look like this. But if I flip the number inside the bracket, the sign of the exponent must change. So for me to write this as 2/3, the sign of the exponent must change. And then this is 2/3 all raised to the power x. And now, guys, my bases are the same. I can therefore conclude that exponents are equal. So now I know that, okay, the coordinates of C are -3 and 19/8, and hence the image of the coordinates. Remember that, guys, this over here, you can only reflect your graph over here if you want to find the inverse of your graph. And for the inverse, guys, it's very, very simple. Né? You just interchange the values of x and y. So the image of C will simply be 19/8, and the y value will be -3. That's how, guys, we're supposed to tackle that question over there. So please, guys, do stay tuned and wait for more videos. Thank you for your time. Bye.